Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video will talk about avoiding the top crypto investment mistakes, your guide to smart decision making. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to my YouTube. Cryptocurrency has taken the world by storm and has become one of the most popular investment options in recent years. However, with its rising popularity, it has also become a breeding ground for scams and fraudulent activities. With the constant fluctuations of the crypto market, it can be easy to make mistakes that can lead to major losses. As an investor, it is crucial to understand how to make smart decisions when investing in cryptocurrency. In this video, we will be discussing the top crypto investment mistakes to avoid and how to make informed decisions when it comes to your investment portfolio. From understanding the importance of researching new coins and understanding market trends to setting realistic goals and avoiding emotional decision-making. We will cover everything you need to know to make smart investment decisions in the world of cryptocurrency. 1. Introduction: the rise of cryptocurrency investments. Introduction: the rise of cryptocurrency investments. In recent years, the world has witnessed a significant rise in the popularity and adoption of cryptocurrencies. What was once a niche concept has now evolved into a global phenomenon, capturing the attention of investors, tech enthusiasts, and even governments. The decentralized nature and potential for high returns have attracted a diverse range. With the advent of Bitcoin in 2009, followed by the emergence of numerous other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum and Litecoin, the market has experienced unprecedented growth. This surge in popularity has also led to the creation of new investment avenues, such as initial coin offerings, ECOs, and decentralized finance. In this guide, we will delve into the world of cryptocurrency investments and explore the various mistakes that investors commonly make. By understanding and avoiding these pitfalls, you can make smarter investment decisions and maximize your chances of success in this ever-evolving landscape. 2. Research. Why it's crucial to do your homework. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency investment, doing your homework is essential. The allure of quick profits and exciting new projects can often lead investors to overlook the importance of thorough research. Researching before making any investment decisions is crucial for several reasons. It allows you to gain a deep understanding of the project or cryptocurrency you are considering. This includes examining the technology behind it, the team involved, and the problem it aims to solve. 3. Understanding the market, key factors to consider before investing. Before diving into the world of cryptocurrency investment, it is crucial to have a solid understanding of the market and the key factors that can significantly impact your investment decisions. By equipping yourself with this knowledge, you can make informed choices, thereby. One of the fundamental factors to consider is the overall market trend. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their volatility, with prices often experiencing significant fluctuations. Keeping a close eye on market trends and understanding the factors influencing them can provide valuable insights into potential investment opportunities. Additionally, it is important to conduct thorough research on the specific cryptocurrency you intend to invest in. Look into its underlying technology, development team, and overall market presence. Assessing the coin's potential for long-term growth and its viability in the market can help you make more informed investment decisions. 4. Setting realistic expectations, avoiding the allure of quick gains. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies, one of the biggest mistakes many individuals make is setting unrealistic expectations. With stories of overnight millionaires and skyrocketing prices, it's easy to get caught up in the allure of quick gains. However, it's crucial to approach crypto investments with a realistic mindset. While it's true that some individuals have experienced substantial profits in a short period of time, it's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile. Prices can fluctuate wildly, sometimes within a matter of hours. This means that while you may see significant gains, you could also experience substantial losses just as quickly. To avoid falling into the trap of setting unrealistic expectations, it's important to do your research and understand the nature of the cryptocurrency market. Educate yourself on the factors that can influence prices, such as market trends, regulatory changes, and technological advancements. Additionally, it's crucial to set achievable goals and have a long-term perspective. Instead of aiming for overnight riches, focus on building a diversified portfolio and adopting a strategic investment approach. 5. Diversification, spreading your risk across different cryptocurrencies. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrencies, one of the key principles to follow is diversification. The crypto market is highly volatile and can experience significant price fluctuations. By investing in a variety of cryptocurrencies, you can mitigate the risk of putting all your eggs in one basket. If one cryptocurrency experiences a downturn, your investments in other coins can help balance out the losses. Diversification also allows you to take advantage of different opportunities in the market. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique features, use cases, and potential for growth. By investing in a range of cryptocurrencies, you increase your chances of being exposed to the ones that perform well and deliver strong returns. However, diversification should not be seen as a way to blindly invest in any and every cryptocurrency. It's important to conduct thorough research and analysis before adding a new cryptocurrency to your portfolio. We hope you found our guide to avoiding the top crypto investment mistakes helpful. Investing in cryptocurrencies can be both exciting and daunting, but with the right knowledge and decision-making skills, you can navigate the market successfully. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this blog post, you'll be able to make informed decisions, minimize risks, and maximize your potential for profits. Remember, the world of crypto is ever evolving, so stay informed and keep honing your investment skills. Thanks for watching.